In this video, we're going to show you how IA-Connect can help you automate your JML processes with a number of different functionalities. For the purpose of this video, we are using ServiceNow as the trigger for the process, and Power Automate is our chosen RPA platform, in which we have over 150 JML pre-built actions and over 700 robotics process automation actions. This automation demonstrates the ability of IA-Connect to interact with Mainframe, Active Directory, Microsoft Exchange, Microsoft Outlook, and a web page. This is only part of what IA-Connect can interact with and automate. Let's get into the automation. In this case, someone in your company will trigger the process by creating a ticket in ServiceNow and inserting all the necessary information in the form available, such as name, job role, office location, AD groups required, etc. This is only an example. The process can use all type of information required by your business and can be customized to your needs. Once the data has been filled in, press Order Now, and the tickets will get created in ServiceNow with all the data available in there. This ticket containing all the data of your new joiner will automatically trigger a Power Automate flow, which then creates a task in your IA-Connect Orchestrator. As you can see, when we go to the Tasks section, we have a ServiceNow item in there, and the data is a JSON of what we have typed in ServiceNow, including all the fields. This is what will be passed to the Power Automate flow to run the process. Now, for the purpose of this video, I will manually trigger the main JML process. However, in a real-life scenario, this will be automated to launch when data is available. Start the process, and let's move to our Citrix session, where IA-Connect will operate in this scenario. Remote automation is one of the key advantages of using IA-Connect. Firstly, the process starts by retrieving some data from Mainframe. We have selected a random piece of data to show you how we can interact with this system, and it will be reported later within the AD account of a new user. The second part is the Active Directory creation of the user. You will not see this happening now as it's done without using any UI, but you can see the agent on the top left working through the various Active Directory instructions we have given it. The same goes for the Microsoft Exchange mailbox creation. You will see the results later in the video as evidence of the process working correctly. The next steps gives you a visual representation of how fast IA-Connect can be. We're going to automate an internal database with the new employee information and show you how the employee has been saved in the system. As you can see, everything is done smoothly and quickly as the information gets passed through various Power Automate actions to the remote Citrix section by the agent. Last but not least, we also have implemented a way for a company to check whether the employee's car MOT is up to date, so that a car parking permit can be assigned to the new joiner. This is done through the government website, and information is retrieved and sent to HR to notify them of the MOT situation. Now that everything has been completed, let's show you some evidence of everything that has been actioned. As you can see in the Active Directory, if we refresh, we can find a new user being created with the information that we filled in Power Apps, including a new email address, data from Mainframe, and the various groups required have been added for this user. An Exchange user mailbox has also been created with a functioning email address. And finally, a few emails have been sent to notify of the changes. In this case, all to my email address just for ease, but this could be to anyone in your business that needs to see the details. One email for the line manager of the new joiner, one email for the IT department to alert them of the hardware needed, and one email to the security team to confirm the validity of the MOT. If we now go back to ServiceNow, I can show you that the process has been updating the ticket throughout with each step completed. Now the ticket has been closed as the process has successfully created a new joiner. Once again, this is an example of what a JML flow could look like using IA-Connect and Power Automate. This also can be done using other systems rather than ServiceNow, such as Power Apps, for which we have a separate demo video. It is also not limited to JML processes, but any process that follows some sort of structure and rules within your company can be automated with our RPA tool.